Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome saying post error on your computer or laptop. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google Chrome and make sure you have logged into your Google account. And after that, we're going to open up the settings. Click on these three dots and then you're going to scroll down until you find settings. In the settings, we need to go to the privacy and security, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the site settings right here, and then scroll down again until we find the additional content setting, and choose the on-device site data. Okay, and make sure you allow sites to save data on your device. You have to choose this option on your setting, and then you're going to scroll down until you find this option, and then we're going to add site to this section, and I'm going to click on add, and then you're going to add accounts.google.com. okay, then click on add. And after that, you're going to close your Google Chrome and then reopening it. And if this trick still doesn't work on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to go to the privacy and security and clear the browsing data. You can click on delete browsing data right here, and then you can delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and also the cache. Click on delete data, and then the browsing data will be removed, and you can close your Google Chrome and reopening it. Okay guys, so that's all the way to fix Google Chrome saying post error. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.